Okay, since my friends on Facebook asked me to make a movie about my technology and commented with heavy Russian accent, it's exactly what I did. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit! First chop and wash mushrooms. Second, 1.5 big onions for mushrooms and 1.5 big onions for eggplant. Now I'm ready to add mushrooms. Added and closed mushrooms. Mushrooms have to be mixed time to time. Now it's time to add eggplants. Mushrooms released water, it's time to add salt. Eggplant is almost ready. Soon it will be time to mix them together. Today I'm trying it with paprika because I am out of saffron. As soon as mushrooms started bubbling in the oil, I chop garlic so it's ready to be added. Now since mushrooms are forming, it's time to marry them. Since they are married already, now we are adding garlic and frying 5 to 10 minutes more. Looking at fine foam, I can tell that it is complete.